Welcome to the EdbMails OST to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails OST to Exchange Migrator simplifies the process of migrating data from offline OST files to Exchange servers. It effectively handles recovery of corrupt, damaged, or inaccessible OST files and ensures the seamless migration to any Exchange servers such as Exchange 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, 2007. With an intuitive interface, EdbMails makes it easy to transfer OST data directly to the Exchange server with minimal effort, ensuring that all mailbox data is preserved during the migration. EdbMails provides a preview feature that allows you to view all mailbox items before migration, giving you a comprehensive view of your data, including emails, attachments, contacts, and calendars. The software supports incremental migration, ensuring that only new or modified items are migrated during subsequent migration operations. This eliminates the migration of duplicate data, making the migration process more efficient and time-saving. Let's see the step-by-step procedure for migrating OST files to a live Exchange server with EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails Application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the OST to PST, OST to Office 365, OST to Exchange option.
Click Let's Go.
Click Browse for OST. Select the OST file. Click Open.
Click Continue.
Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the item. Select the folder that you wish to export. Select Migrate to Live Exchange. Select the required connection options. Click Next. Connect to target Exchange server. Select Exchange server version. Click Login.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue.
Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders.
Click Save. Click Continue.
Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free OST to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.